Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. Are you excited to draw and hear the story of Iron Man? What if you could wear a suit that makes you fly like a rocket, shoot lasers from your hands, and be the smartest superhero in the world? Sounds awesome, right? Well, guess what? There's a superhero who can do all that and more. Meet the incredible Iron Man. A long time ago, there was a super smart man named Tony Stark. He wasn't just smart, he was a genius. He could build anything: computers, robots, and even powerful machines. But Tony was in big trouble. One day, some bad guys trapped him in a secret place. Tony needed to escape, but he didn't have any tools. Or did he? With just some metal and his big brain, Tony built something incredible: a super suit. His suit could fly, shoot lasers, and protect him from danger. He used it to blast through the walls, zoom, and escape. From that day on, Tony became a superhero. He was no longer just Tony Stark. He was Iron Man. Iron Man's suit wasn't just cool, it was super smart too. It could talk to him, fix itself, and even change colors. He kept making it stronger, faster, and cooler every time. Did you know Iron Man's suit has more than 50 versions? And guess what? He can call his suit with just his voice. Imagine saying, "Iron Man suit, come to me," and boom, it flies right onto him. Iron Man fights bad guys, saves the world, and helps his superhero friends, the Avengers. Even though he doesn't have superpowers like Spider-Man or Hulk, his brain is his real superpower. And that's why Iron Man teaches us to be smart, be brave, and always use our imagination. Would you want an Iron Man suit? Bye for now. See you next time.